Hi, my name is Mohammed. I was born and raised in Gaza, Palestine. I graduated from UMich last May, majoring in biomedical engineering, and I'll be pursuing my master's degree also in biomedical engineering in the upcoming fall. Our topic today will be about how to make friends and build or establish a community at UMich. So, as a person who transferred from the Middle East, like completely different environment, completely different people, atmosphere, everything. So my transition was not maybe as smooth as other international students. So today I'm gonna try to sum up all the things that I did in order to make friends and find my community here at UMich. So, number one, always try to make friends in classrooms. I know that some of you guys might treat classrooms as a place for like learning, studying, not for for socializing with people. So something that I tried and it worked with me is I always sat in the middle of a group or next to someone in order to socialize with them, talk about the course, homework, assignments, build that connection, build that relationship with someone. Because to be honest, if you want to build a relationship with someone, you gotta know that you have to like see him a couple of times, maybe like classrooms, library, gym, in order to have like that spark, that connection. That it's like it's gonna be like the first step of the relationship ladder. So let's say like you saw someone in the library, you saw him a couple of times. Now you can go like sit with them. Maybe you also saw them in like one of your classes. You can always go and like socialize with them, introduce yourself, tell them that, oh yeah, I saw you in my classroom. What you did for the last homework, how you did the last question, whatever. You can always start a conversation with someone in your classroom. Number two, having a hobby equals having a community. So we all know that the campus here is considered one of the biggest in the US and maybe in the world. And why I mentioned this is because you will always find people who are interested in the things that you're interested in. So let's say like for me, I love going to the gym, I love working out, I love being active, I love running. So 50% of the relationship that I established here are people from the gym, people that I worked out with. We established a connection. We built that spark, that conversation. I told him, oh, what are you hitting today? I'm hitting chest. Okay, let's work out together. So always the few words, that spark between you and someone in your classroom or the gym that will build the relationship or that friendship. So, number three, always be open to new experiences, meeting new people, or going to social events. So, let's say that one of your friends, one of your classmates, let's say, invited you to their birthday or one of the parties that he goes to every weekend, and he told you that you should come and you told him, "Oh, I'm gonna text you about it. Let me think about it." And yet then you thought about it, and you were like, "All the people there drink, they all smoke. Why should I go there?" And I completely understand that because like maybe it's like against your culture, against your beliefs, but at the same time, you don't have to do the same things that they're doing. Let's say if they're all smoking, if they're all drinking, you don't have to like drink or smoke in order to like be one of them or to like socialize with them. Always socialize in your own way. Always be yourself. You don't have to like do things that you're not used to doing or do things that's completely against your beliefs or your culture or your own personality. Always do your thing. Try to socialize with people the way you're used to it. And also, I would say that you should always check the International Center newsletter, the weekly newsletter, and the website in order to like check the weekly social events, and also maybe check for job opportunities. These job opportunities will build you like some connections. You might find friends while working with people. You never know. And these were my tips for making new friends and building your community.